Good morning, friends. It is Tuesday morning. I'm out here in the garden with Bubba picking some veggies. Thought I'd hop on here, say good morning, say hello, and take you guys on a day in the life with my family. So thank you guys so much for coming along with us today. And if you've not already subscribed, I hope you'll subscribe and stick around and check out some more videos after this one. I've got to get the sprinkler turned on. It is a little bit broken. It's not wanting to oscillate like it did. I did order a different system for the garden, and it should be here today, but I want to go ahead and try to get it to work to water at least a little bit of the garden this morning. So we're getting that turned on right now, and then I'm going to go work on breakfast. Can you get it? Here's two more.
Dog.
Well, it's ripe. You got to kind of twist it. That's a baby. Yay! Pumpkin! Watermelon. All right, go take it to the house. Spin. Good. Of course it's going to spin because I bought a new one. I'm thinking about doing like a breakfast scramble this morning with zucchini, sausage, onions, maybe some tomatoes and eggs. And if I do something like that, or like a skillet of mixed up stuff with fried eggs on top, I have a few kids who may not want that, but I do have some leftover blueberry pancakes in the fridge that need eaten as well. Baby.
Baby Mickey.
Baby Mickey. Good morning. Good morning, Fred.
Good morning, Fred. Until my birthday.
How old will we be? 5? A whole high 5? And what do we want for our birthday?
Bounty unicorn.
A bouncy unicorn.
Moon pies.
Moon pies, cookies.
And a real cow.
A real cow. That would be awesome. What would you name a cow?
Munio.
Munio. Oh, I love it. There goes your chickens. Okay, guys, so I just got some zucchini, bell pepper, smoked sausage, tomato, onion, and garlic ready, and we are going to get some breakfast going. I'm going to let my zucchini cook for a bit until it kind of starts cooking through, and then we're going to add our onion, our garlic, cook this for a few minutes, add our bell pepper, and then our smoked sausage and tomatoes. And then just let it finish cooking on a low heat. And we are going to serve this up with a fried egg. And I'm also going to slice up some banana bread I have in the fridge. And that way that gets eaten up. And Mika and Bubba are going to eat leftover blueberry pancakes. But CJ, Penny, and I will be eating this. I'm just going to take a second while this is cooking to say hi, good morning, I hope you're all doing well today. So we need to get a lot of schoolwork done today. I'm going to do my Bible devotional while I eat, and then the kids are going to do their book work. We're going to take out some Legos and do some read alouds after that. And by then, it'll probably be close to dinner time. And for dinner tonight, we are doing a baked potato bar in crock pots. So I'm going to use my big one to cook potatoes. The potatoes we have are not very big at all, so the kids can eat as many as they want to, because they certainly aren't a one potato meal type of thing. They're very small. And I'm going to use my mini crocks to warm up a few different proteins, and everybody can pick what they want on their baked potatoes.
You could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should have told you straight away, you don't have to be afraid anymore.
Okay, so I put my potatoes in the slow cooker with just some butter and salt, and I'm going to let these cook on high for 4 hours. Over here in this slow cooker, I have some pork tenderloin and barbecue sauce that was canned up a few months ago, and back there I have some chili.
I won't let you go, put your arms around me, and I'll let you know how it feels when time goes slow. And I won't let it rush when I see you dance, and the moment comes when I fall and time goes slow. I fall into you. I fall into you. Hey, I wish I could show you more, 'cause baby you deserve some more. But still you're here, and that's what I adore. Should've told you straight away everything I have to say, but I'm afraid, and I know you haven't noticed. You know that I won't let you go. Put your arms around me, and I'll let you know how it feels when time goes slow. And I won't let it rush when I see you dance, and the moment comes when I fall and time goes slow. I fall into you. I fall into you. I fall into you.
Good morning, friends. So yesterday I did not finish filming in the late evening time, so I wanted to hop on here, kind of tell you guys how our day ended up. James was passing through Oklahoma City, asked if I would bring him dinner, so I went and met him and brought him dinner. And so I didn't get home till almost 11. Came in, CJ had put up food, but there were still dishes to do, so I put up all the dishes and I went straight to bed. And so there was no end to yesterday's video, so I just wanted to hop on here, kind of tell you guys that, and tell you guys I'll see you soon with another new video. Bye.